Try this transformational breath practice to support your mental health and bring about more activation for the Udana Vayu, the prana flowing from the throat upward to the crown. We incorporate sound in Ujjayi breathing. So softly humming, softly chanting the word Om and letting that resonate and vibrate through the head and through the chest. I guide my students to work with these subtle breath practices to access deeper layers of health and expression. And as a yoga therapist, I teach how these breath techniques actually affect the prana flow, especially in the energy body from the throat to crown. These practices support clear communication, confidence, and mental uplift.